Welcome! In this tutorial, you will learn basic searching and a few special features in the CINAHL Complete database. CINAHL offers journal articles, evidence-based care sheets, quick lessons, and more for nursing and allied health professions. Let's start at the library homepage, and under Start Your Research at the top of the page, choose Research Guides for your courses. From the list on the Research Guides page, choose Nursing. From the Nursing Research Guide, choose CINAHL. To begin, let's type ear infection in the search box. Since this basic search is a keyword search, the results will all have the words ear infection somewhere in the title, subject, or summary of the article. We have results, but do we have the best results? One huge advantage of library databases is that articles are assigned words that describe the subject, so you can find all the articles about a subject if you know the correct subject heading. This is especially important in CINAHL because the common name for what you are searching can be different from the medical term the database uses. We see in the subject list under the article titles and also in the subject major heading list that the subject heading for ear infections is otitis media. Let's click the title of any article with the subject otitis media. This brings us to the detailed record for the article. By clicking a subject term within the detailed record, you will retrieve all the articles in the database with the subject of otitis media. Now we can use the Refine Results column on the left in a variety of ways to find exactly what we need. To further refine our results by subject, click Show More under the list of subject headings. Now we can choose one of these subheadings. If you wish, you can limit your results further by the age group the article concerns. For now, let's choose one of these articles and look at the detailed record. This is the detailed record for the article, which usually includes an abstract or brief summary of the article. There are helpful tools on the right. Note the Cite tool, which provides the citation in APA format. The entire text of the article is available using the PDF full text or HTML full text link. The list of major and minor subjects will help you find good search terms. To return to your list of results, choose Result List. Next, we will look at some special features. From the CINAHL Complete search screen, choose Evidence-Based Care Sheets from the top menu bar. Evidence-based care sheets are summaries on specific key topics which are focused on nursing practice. Browse by subject, select one or more items, and click Search. Here is an evidence-based care sheet for fall prevention in hospitalized patients. Each care sheet has sections titled What We Know and What We Can Do, plus a list of references. Quick lessons are clinically organized nursing overviews. Hover above the More drop-down and select Quick Lessons. This is the Quick Lessons search screen, where you can search and browse a list of subjects. Here is the quick lesson for exercise-induced asthma. It includes a description, facts and figures, risk factors, signs and symptoms, assessment, treatment goals, food for thought, red flags, what to tell the patient's family, and a list of references. In this tutorial, you learned basic searching and a few special features in the CINAHL Complete database. If you need help, ask a librarian. Thanks for watching.